part 2. Let's continue our verbs in present tense with vowel changes. Again, vowels are A, E, O, U. Let's look at the verb nehmen. Nehmen means to take, like you take an aspirin, you take a class, okay? So, remember, drop the en, replace it with personal endings. Ich nehme. Now look at what this does. You'll find that interesting. We learn the E changes to I, right? So here we go, we change the E to I. But then the H also disappears and changes to an M. So du nimmst. So we have an I plus a double M here. Same thing happens for SES. E changes to I, H changes to M, and we have a double M. Nimmt. See, you even have irregularities within one verb itself. So wir goes back to the regular, wir nehmen, ihr nehmt, und sie nehmen. Alright, now werden is completely mixed up. Look at this one. Werden means to become. Like to become ill or to become a teacher. So werden, to become. Ich is regular. Drop off the en, go to the stem, add the E. Now, look at du. Du, E changes to I. Here it is still regular. It follows the rule we just learned. Then comes the R and an ST. So the D disappears completely. Du wirst. SES. Again, E to I. This is regular. And then R, D. Wird. Ich werde, du wirst, wird. Wir, regular again, wir werden. We are becoming ill. Ihr werdet, you all are getting ill. And sie werden, they are getting ill, for example. Alright. So, E to I, E to I. Let's look at lesen. Watch me carefully, see what this one does. Again, we have the E, right? Lesen und sehen, we have an E. Alright, we know how to do the first one. Drop off the en, add the E to the stem. Ich lese. Now, du, we learned E to I, it does that. But then it sticks an E next to it. Du liest. So, it's I-E. SES, same thing. I, and then an E, and an and a T. So, whoops, the S. I forgot my S here. So it is ich lese, du liest, liest. Alright, wir lesen, normal. Ihr lest und sie lesen. Now let's look at sehen, which means to see. Yeah? Again, we know the ich, it's easy. Ich sehe. Du, E to I. But this one also keeps the E. Du siehst. Same for S, E to I, keeps the E. HT. Sieht. Alright. Plural, regular. We see, wir sehen, ihr seht, und sie sehen. Now, in these two verbs, lesen und sehen, what happened? The E changed to IE. Up here, for these verbs, the E changed to I, but for these, lesen und sehen, and there's some other ones too which we'll learn later, the E changes to IE.